Hey TechnoStuds, let's take a look at some of the wireless settings on a Windows laptop. So in here on the bottom right hand side, I have a little wireless symbol that I'll click and it will pop up with a menu item. This is showing all of the SSIDs that are being broadcasted near my laptop. And so anything that my laptop is seeing that the SSID is being broadcasted out, it's going to list here, and I can scroll through and connect to these different networks here. Some of them are secure. You can see the little lock symbol next to it. That means that there's some sort of wireless security on those networks. So a lot of times we have just our networks where the SSID gets broadcasted out and you just set it up that way. We're going to go through the process though of setting up a network like as if the SSID was not being broadcasted out, and we have to manually set up that connection because then you'll get to see some of the network settings there. So I'm going to connect to this network and internet settings right here. On the left hand side, I want to configure Wi-Fi, so I'm going to click on Wi-Fi, and what I'm looking for is the manage known networks. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to show me the networks that I've connected to in the past, or at least the ones that I said remember this connection. There's only one because I haven't really used this laptop for much. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a new connection, and then it's going to ask for a name. So this would be the SSID that's being broadcasted out. And maybe there's a network that I have what's not broadcasting the SSID, and then I would type that into here. So maybe I just say test 123 is the name of my SSID, maybe that is being broadcasted out. And then I choose the security type. And so we see in here, we have several security types here: WEP, WPA2, that's personal AES or enterprise AES, and WPA3. So what happens is that, WEP was one of the first, one of the ones that came out initially. And, of course they say, oh, it can't be broken. And then it gets broken right away. So that's a problem. So then they come up with more and better encryption. So you'll see that this list gets updated over time. And so let's just say that this is a WPA2 personal one, and then it has some sort of security key. Then you type in the security key here. I choose whether I want to connect to this automatically when it sees that this network is available, and even if the network is not broadcasting out, so broadcasting the SSID. So there's some network settings on how to set up your wireless card to connect to some of these networks that are out there.